Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm not going to show you how to crochet the face mask adapter, but this one. This is the bookmarker, which is made of 3 tiny leaves, joined together with a slip stitch. Have a look. This is the back side, and this is the front side. This is another tiny leaf here to make it cuter. However, I don't use it for my book as a marker, but for my journal career. Okay, everyone, I will show you how to make this cute marker. To make these creative designs, I'm gonna use emerald green smelt cottons and a crochet hook number 8. Firstly, make a slip knot. Then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a slip stitch in chain 1. Okay, now this is a bit tricky part. We need to make first single crochet on the right side of the slip stitch. First single crochet is made on the right side of the slip stitch, and then make 2 more single crochet on the left side. 1, 2. Then 2 half double, 1, 2, 3 double, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. 2 chain for picot. 1, 2. Make a picot stitch through these 2 loops. Then we're gonna mirror back the stitch. 3 double, 1, 2, 3. 2 half double after this. 1, 2. 1 single. Make a slip stitch on the top of the first single crochet. Okay, now the first cute leaf is done. I'm gonna make the second one. I begin with chain up 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch in chain 1. This is another tricky part. We need to make first single crochet on the right side of slip stitch and on the right side of the first leaf. Then go to the left side, make 2 more single crochet. 1, 2. 2 half double, 1, 2, 3 double. Sometimes I forgot name of stitches. 1, 2, 3, 2 for picot stitch. I make picot stitch inside these 2 loops. Then I'm gonna mirror back the stitches I used. 3 double, 1, 2, 3, 2 half double, 1, 2, 1 single, and a slip stitch on the top of a very first single crochet. The second leaf is done. This is what they look like. Okay, now I'm gonna make the third one. I begin with chain out 4 just like before. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch in chain 1. The pattern is absolutely same. I just repeat it. A tricky part again. Make first single crochet on the right side of the slip stitch. Then go to the left side and make 2 more single crochet. 1, 2, 2 half double or 2 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3 double, 1, 2, 3, 2 chain for a picot stitch, then 3 double, 1, 2, 3, followed by 2 half double, 1, 2, and finally 1 single. Make a slip stitch on the top of a very first single crochet. These 3 cute leaves are done now. Okay, now let me show you how to join the first and the third leaves together. Firstly, insert the hook into a very tiny space underneath the first single crochet of the first leaves. Grab the yarn to make a slip stitch. Then go back to the third leaf. Insert the hook into the back loops of the second single crochet of the third leaf. This is the first one, and this is the second single crochet. Insert the hook into the back loops. Then go back to the first leaf. Do the same. Insert the hook into the second or the back loops of the first leaves. Yarning over, pull it through all loops in the hook. Okay, now I'm gonna make a long chains, but I don't know how many stitches I'm going to create for these chains. Okay, I will fit it with macaron first. Let me take macaron. This is my holy Quran. Okay, perhaps I will make 40 or 35 chain. Let me try. Okay, it fits enough. The total chain is 36. I will add 4 more chains for the leaf pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a slip stitch in chain 4s from hook. Then make 1 more leaf. Make 1 single crochet on the right side of the slip stitch, then go to the left side, make 2 more single crochet, two half double, three double, two chain for a picot stitch, three double, 1, 2, 3, 2 half double, 1, 2, 1 single, now attach the leaf to the chains using a slip stitch. Now go to the back side of the leaf. Use a smaller hook to grab the loop. Bring it to the back side. Then make one last chain before you cut the yarn. This bookmark is ready. I will try it on my Quran. It fits well. Well, everybody, you can create this adorable design for your bookmark. It's really easy. The result is so adorable. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good day and happy crochets.